Hey guys, welcome to my video. I know you're here because you want to see how I make my milkshake. But before you begin watching, remember to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up and comment below. So I can show you how I make my Oreo milkshake. So stay tuned for the video, you guys.
Happy New Year, me no selfish. Petagaye in a response, we are shellfish. Bad mind, grudgeful and envy. Can't follow, we go 2020. Just remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. One time, I'm out.
Hi guys, so today we're going to make some Oreo milk cream. So you will need some ice, of course. You would need vanilla ice cream, milk, any type of milk, you guys, whipped cream, yeah, and the most important ingredient is Oreo. And you need a blender and a cup or a jar, whatever you're gonna put your milkshake in when you're finished, okay? And also a spoon. So guys, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some milk into the blender. So I did not really make a lot, but if you guys are planning on making a lot, you guys can pour as much milk as you wish, okay? So guys, I want to put some Oreo. I'm just breaking the Oreo in half. So I put around 6 or 6. You guys can put as much as you want. I put around 6 to 7 Oreo in there. I just break all of them into half, okay? So guys, now what I'm doing, I'm just adding my vanilla ice cream. I did around 2 to 3 scoops of ice cream in there. You guys can even add more. It depends on how thick you want your milkshake to be, okay? I'm adding some ice to the blender, and keep in mind that so far it have Oreo, ice cream, milk. So I'm just adding the ice, okay? Yeah. So it's time to whip that bad boy up. Look at that, you guys. Look at the color. Yes. So it's all up to you, and if you guys think it's a bit watery for you, it's up to you if you want to add more ice cream, if you want to add more ice. But for me, this was, I think I had more. Yes, I had some more off camera, but it's up to you how thick you want it or how watery you want it. So that's just my preference, okay? So right now my milkshake is finished. I'm just pouring it in my cup, and guys, look, some of the ice came out big, but I had no problem with that. So this is how I make my Oreo milkshake, you guys. So if you guys love it so far, remember to give my video a thumbs up. Comment below which other milkshake you want to see, guys, and the whipped cream. Look at that. So I'm just adding some whipped cream and some decorations to my Oreo milkshake. And what I did as well is I also had some Oreos, like as some decoration, like break it up and get the color. Guys, you can decorate your milkshake as you like. If you have cherries, you can put the cherries on the top. If you like a lot of Oreos, you can put more Oreos. If you want a lot of whipped cream, but this is actually my finished product, you guys. So as I mentioned, comment what other videos you guys want to see. Give my video a thumbs up. Remember, if you created this milkshake, remember to screenshot it and take a picture of it and tag me on my socials. I'll definitely post it. So yeah.